with you this morning.
Kill it or what?
No. Motherfucker. It's eating itself, isn't it?
No, kill a little lizard.
Has it?
Yeah. I'm not sure what that is.
Bone. It's pretty big, eh?
Fuck yeah,
3 foot.
I don't like snakes.
It's actually eating it.
He's come out of the bush there, eh? I need to fucking...
I know, you just need to go tennis ball. Rooster, you stay here, motherfucker.
That's why I don't like snakes around dogs.
There's a fucking big one. I told you it was still here, eh? What's it got? It's got a bone, I think. Videotaping it. Oh, it's a lizard.
Poor little thing.
This has got his dinner.
That's a fucking... It's not a bit, it's not a Burberry black.